Alright, I have this stump that was left from a tree that I cut down 2 years ago. I was hoping that this stump will die on its own, but it is very persistent, so today I'm gonna try to kill it with roundup and see how it's gonna turn out in a few weeks, maybe even a few months. But first I'm gonna clear it all out so I have a good access to the stump itself. Here's the stump again in its full glory. I'm gonna first cut it down to the ground as the label suggests before drilling the holes in it and pouring the roundup. Now here's the stump cut down to the ground. Those ridges are not really needed. Now I'm gonna drill holes around the whole perimeter of the stump before pouring the roundup into them. Okay, the holes are done, and now I'm ready to start pouring roundup to fill in those holes. Alright, here we are. The roundup is in the holes. Turned out to be slightly messier job than I anticipated. Advice for those who's gonna try this, maybe use the eyedropper you can buy in the pharmacy, because I used this cup that came with another bottle of roundup, and it's not very convenient to pour something into those tiny holes. Currently it's the middle of August 10th to be precise. I'm gonna check on the progress in a couple of weeks, and then gonna make the final update next spring, so stay tuned. It's been almost a month. Today is September 13th, and as you can see, nothing new, no new sprouts showed up on this stump. There was actually one sprout there that I guess I missed when I was cleaning it up, and it's no longer there. It's gone. So looks like so far it's working. It's been 2 years since the roundup application. This stump is definitely dead. I haven't seen a single sprout coming up. Word of caution, I used to have here a clematis plant that accidentally got killed, so watch out what's nearby.